guys, and welcome to week 8. Hi guys, so we're going back out to site to go see the progress on the roof works. Yes guys, so roofers are here, scaffolding's all up, so moving on. Right guys, so we're going to see what's happening today. I've already made a payment on the windows, so they're off and ordered in production, so that's on its way. That's going to be happening soon. I've been in a few more discussions with the plumber regarding the shower trays and things like that. Obviously the electrical work that they're scheduled in a couple of weeks time as well. Let's go to site and let's see what's happening today. A lot of rubble has been cleared as well. All the soil's gone anyway. See how they've got on inside. So as you can see guys, they're starting to lay the floor. So we've got the membrane down and a bit of the insulation. Great, I'll have a proper floor soon. And the heater, the old heater that's here, that's gone as well. The plumber is coming on Monday to sort a lot of this, one of these old pipes out. Should be a good thing. Hi guys, so we are back again. As you will see from yesterday's footage, what we're doing is the builders are actually going to be taking some of the pointing out, just sort of scraping some of that out, obviously just to redo. And then what they're going to be doing is putting some reinforcement bars every 3 courses in this corner here, and then repointing that just to make that a bit stronger. Just give you a close up so you can see where all the bits are missing out of the brickwork. We have some reclaimed bricks arrived, so that's going to go in here at the side. So we'll obviously be taking this window out, as I said, and then this bottom bit's just going to get bricked up. And then obviously once that's all done, all the external works is all done, I can then repaint that, so give that fresh lick of paint. And then here, as you can see, the floor is down, just waiting for that to dry. And obviously, as you can see up here, we've just repointed above the lintels, just made that point work look a bit fresher. Just got all the electrics for the outside PIR light. We have electrics, first bits to the first floor flat in. Right then guys, and the stud work and everything's up for the shower. Also getting ready for the new extract fan to be fitted. And then all the cables are all in, ready for the new consumer unit to be moved from downstairs to in the cupboard. And then all the wires are in, so that the consumer unit can come from the downstairs cupboard into the upstairs cupboard.